لا يزال الخير حيا لا يزال إن في الدنيا سلاما واضلا.
بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. So after my previous video, which was done after I'd been injected with the yes drug, which means that I have to just be honest about every single thing. Now that the drug has gone out of my system, I can lie again as usual. That's a joke, by the way. So of course, Sheikh Kamal al-Makki, hafidhahullah ta'ala wa ra'ah, and genuinely I mean that because he is a nice guy, even though he is my sworn enemy. This is actually a lesson in itself. Is it possible for a sworn enemy to be a nice guy? And for you to praise his class? It's possible. It's only possible in a dini paradigm when you're teaching the religion. So alhamdulillah, you know that he will be teaching this week, starting this Friday at the Metropole, inshallah, confidential, the Tafsir of Surah Nur. And it's an awesome class because it's not just what you think from the obvious point of view, from the story of Aisha and the story of Ifk, as it's called, and the principles of relationships and zina. And my favorite part of the class is where Sheikh Kamal, he basically explains what Sharia is and what Sharia isn't, because you know, day and night Sharia is a big bogey word, and you know how scary it's made out to be about killing people, cutting people, blah 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 blah. And so you hear a scholar actually tell you what are the actual facts from the Quran and Sunnah. Very few people actually know the legal system. So it's an awesome class, and Sheikh Kamal, of course, very funny guy, and he'll make it very very friendly and nice, and basically keep your seats warm until the big show comes, which is myself, inshallah, soon. Jazakumullah khair. Don't miss it. Confidential this week, Tafsir Surah Nur at the Metropole. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My name is Kamal al-Makki, and I'm teaching a single weekend seminar called Confidential, the Tafsir of Surah An-Nur. We're going to look at all 64 verses of the surah, understand all the rulings, look at the different themes from rules of visitation, the accusation against Aisha, and understand what Allah is saying to us.
قم بنا وانظر لآيات الجمال كن كما غيث على الأفياء ماطر صوته يروي قلوبا وأخوات